Nearly half of those surveyed by a Catholic group believe President Aquino failed to deliver on his anti-corruption campaign promise of matuwid na daan. 46% of 1,200 respondents nationwide answered no to the question, has President Aquino been successful in his program against corruption in government?
1990 pa ako sa gobyerno pero ang buhay ko, kita mo naman, naglalakad. Di ba? Hindi, totoo yun. Kasi wala talaga, wala akong naramdaman.
Nung mga sinabi niya nung SONA, natutuparin niya, may mga hindi pa rin po natupad. Kaya kung naayos po niya yung corruption, bakit po hindi natupad yung mga yun?
Only 13% believe the president was effective.
Kahit pa paano naagapan niya, like the pork barrel thingy, na gawa niya action.
While the remaining 41% were unsure. Based on economic status, a huge portion of the upper class gave the president failing marks. The survey was done in the second quarter of 2015, with the papal visit and the Mama Sapano incident, both in January, still fresh in the nation's consciousness. For government institutions, respondents see the Senate as most corrupt and the barangay as least corrupt.
Ang lumilitaw na malinaw nakalulungkot na katotohanan na talagang sa lahat ng sangay ng ating pamahalaan talagang napakalaganap ng korupsyon.
Radyo Veritas research head Clifford Sorita says the results were influenced by the seeming lack of change in people's lives.
So they would comment na yung kanilang kalagayan on the certain level ay bunga ng korupsyon na nararanasan natin sa ating pamahalaan.
While Manila Auxiliary Bishop Broderick Pabilio says the president has yet to show that the campaign against corruption does not favor his allies.
O kung may mapananagot man, napapananagot lang, ay ang mga hindi kakampi. Kaya parang hindi nila nakita na yan ay talagang pagsisikap na linisin ang mga korap.
The bishops say there's still time for the president to redeem himself. Malacanang meanwhile says the administration is unwavering in its fight against corruption. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma, during a media briefing, cites a social weather station survey that shows 42% of Filipinos were satisfied with the administration's efforts against misfits in government. Kimberly Go, CNN Philippines.